Hello, thank you. Today about importance of addictions. Why are they so hard to give up? Or should we? Is there a better alternative? Addictions reign in our lives. We all have some throughout our lives. Some with more, some with less harmful side effects and consequences. But regardless of the damage they might do, we find them so irresistible. We can't find anything else to replace them with. They are so important. Some people are risking their lives just to get into that peaceful state of mind where everything is just right, just the way it is, just right, even blissful. What is it about addictions that makes them so irresistible? They get us out of the grip of surface, ordinary thoughts. They stop the circling of the surface, ordinary thoughts. They still the mind. They get us into a dimension that is beyond the so-called everyday, ordinary dimension, and is actually very close to the natural state of mind, to the experience of the natural state of mind. Peace, balance, at ease. The only problem is, obviously, that we have to keep it up with just doing more and more of what may be really harmful. And then we sort of can't stop. Anyway, we all know the story of addictions, but what I want to point out here is the huge importance and the place they play in our lives. We really need to understand that if we are to have any chance to replace them with something more suitable, less harmful, less high side effects. So is there a better alternative? Is there something that we don't know, but we can use to replace them and get the same sort of experiences, but longer lasting, without side effects, with lasting benefits? It is. It's just that the majority of us never find it, never come across it, are never presented with a better alternative. And the vast majority of so-called rehab options do not present people with the right alternative. What is it? It's going beyond naturally by training the mind, gaining control over thoughts, and then going deep and deeper into the mind to reach the states of peace and balance and ease that are lasting, without any harmful consequences, without any side effects, without any artificial uppers that we otherwise need to take, and more and more and more. So use this channel and other similar channels to start controlling your thoughts, to start making your journey deep into the mind, and find the natural state of mind without the use of drugs, alcohol, food, sugar, gaming, gambling, sex, you name it. The choice is endless. But you can reach these states of mind naturally without them. And once you start practicing, you will see that these artificial uppers and these addictions might start just falling off gradually, and one day fall off altogether. And you might find yourself saying, addiction? What addiction? try this different approach. It's well worth it. Take care. Bye-bye.